Hi explorers, we all know that bow ties are awesome, but do you know how to tie one? Better question, do you know how to tie your shoes? Because then you actually know how to tie a bow tie. I think it's important to note that bow ties aren't just for fancy occasions anymore. Even when I'm not in the lab or at a high-class event, you can often find me wearing one. I have about 30 and I love them because they're a great way to express myself. First step is to drape it around your neck and make sure it's lying flat. Then, just like your shoes, you're going to take the two flaps, fold them over each other, loop them around, and pull it tight. The two pieces of your tie should now be draped together, and the one on the bottom should be a little bit longer than the one on the top. This is because the one on the bottom will go in front of the tie and will help it look better. So now what you want to do is you want to take the bottom piece, put your thumb right where the two pieces meet, and you want to fold that into place so it looks like it will in the finished tie. Then you're going to take the over top piece and you're going to drape it over it and pull it nice and tight. The thumb that's holding this all in place should now be able to feel a very small hole, a gap in the back that's created by the one that's being draped over. It should look a little something like this. This hole is created partially by the one draping over and partially by the one that's being held in place. So what you want to do next is take your other hand, switch them out, hold it all in, take that top flap, and you put your thumb on the back of it right in the middle, right where that fold's going to be. Then you're going to take that and you're going to push it through the hole. So from there, you're pulling it through, you're straightening it out, and making sure it looks nice and sharp. I've been wearing bow ties for a few years now, but it took a lot of time and practice before I got it right. I had to tie 100 of these before I even got it looking almost correct. So don't be afraid to spend a little time, be patient with yourself, and you'll be looking sharp in no time.